Okay, I'm ready.
I come to the garden now. Flower is still on the road. And the voice I hear out on my ear, the song of God is roses. And he walks with me and he talks with me and he tells me I am his own. And the voice I hear
And the joy we
share every day. None other has ever known.
He speaks.
I'm finished.
Well, we'll just sing that verse, okay? He speaks. Is so sweet. The birds hush there. I can't hear you. And the melody.
The song of God is roses, and he walks with me and he talks with me. And then I'm finished.
You're finished.
I'm tired. Hang on.
What?
I'm going to rescue now
What are you going to rescue?
of some people
Oh, what are you going to rescue them from?
from the tiger and lion.
Oh, okay. Good luck to you.
I will come back if you need me, Mom.
Okay, thank you. Josiah. Say hi. What's brother doing? Josiah, can you do your funny face? Go. Mm-hmm.
You're the son of God, huh?
No, I'm not the son of God. Who's the son of God?
Jesus.
Yes.
He's my son.
No, he's not your son.